Hello, hello, hello. Now we're going to start now, okay? Jasa, she have 10 fork. Ay, 9 forks. Tapos, isang, knife. Kasi we don't have any more, okay po? We'll just count 1 to 10, okay po? Yes? Then after this, we're going to drive. Because Jasa wants to go drive. Okay po? Can you put 1 fork here? 1. Come on. Get 1 fork and then layer here, 1 by 1. I'm gonna count, okay? Sige na baba, so we can go drive.
Teacher Lori, Teacher Lori.
That's right, that's right. Next, Teacher Lori. Let's count now. Get 1 fork. 1. Okay. Next. Next 1. 1. Say 1. Tama na. 1. Come on. Sige. Next. 2. 2. Very good. Next. 3. Very good. Next. 4. Very good. 5. Very good. 5. Next. 6. Very good. 6. Next. 7. Okay, next. 8. Very good. 8. Oh my God. 8. Next. 8. Next number. 8. What's next? Next. 9. Yes, 9. Say 9. 9. Next is? What number? 9. What's number? Last. Okay. Make it muna. Sige na. I'm gonna start na. Baba, count the fork. Come on, let's go. Face. Can you face here? 2. Can you do it? 1?
Mom.
Ma'am. Okay, 2. Okay, next. Next. Come on. 1. Point. Come on. Next, we're going to drive. Come on. 1. Come on. Point it. Come on. 1. Say 1. Okay, next. 2. Next. 2. 3. Where's number 4? Where's 4? Next. You want to start here? Again. So next, we're going to drive. Okay? When you finish. 1. Come on. Start. Here. Say 1. Next. 2. Very good. 3. 4. 5. 6. Very good. Next. 7. Very good. Next. No. 7. Next is 8. 8. Next. 9. Last. 10. Very good. High five. You're so smart. Wow. Here we go. Come on. Layer here. And you will count the fork. Come on. 1. Say 1. Okay, 1. Next. Come on, get another one. Say 2. Okay, next. 3. Very good. Next. 4. Next. 5. Next. Wait. 5. Later. 5. What number is this? 6. Next. What number is this? 7. Next. 8. Very good. Next. 9. Very good. Last.
10.
10. Perfect. High five. You're so good. Thank you very much. Let's
Done it.
go.